Warning, these jobs are disappearing fast. If you have one of them, you need to watch this. Technology is evolving at an insane pace. AI, automation, and robots are already replacing workers, and by 2030, millions of jobs will be gone. Here are the top 5 jobs that might vanish soon. 1. Cashiers, self-checkouts, and AI payments are replacing them. 2. Taxi and delivery drivers. Self-driving cars will dominate. 3. Customer service agents, AI chatbots are taking over. 4. Journalists and content writers, AI tools like ChatGPT are already writing articles. 5. Factory workers. Automation is making human labor obsolete. But don't panic. The future isn't about losing jobs, it's about new opportunities. Instead of outdated jobs, learn high-income skills like data science, AI and machine learning, cybersecurity, digital marketing, creative AI skills like AI art and video editing. Adapt now or get left behind. What do you think? Will your job survive? Comment below. Don't forget to like and follow for more future insights.